We as a team here, we have managed to build the top of the line Opel, setting here the next stage of German craftsmanship, world-class leading in respect to quality. We are working here with laser gorgeous artificial intelligence, applying a very strict gap management to bring really a perfect result to the customer. We have invested a lot here in Eisenach, managed to integrate the new technology of full BEV vehicles using state-of-the-art technology.
The platform of the Grandland is really made for full electrified cars. So this is a major benefit because with it we can reach the grand ranges that we have now with this car.
We are ready for the future, ready for the new Grandland, made in Germany.